In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to not only turn off the activation lock on the iPhone, but also how to erase and start it completely from scratch. Let's get started right now. Let's say you bought a brand new iPhone and you want to go ahead and give this back to Apple. What do you have to do? There's two essential steps for you to do. First step is to turn off the activation lock. The activation lock gets started in the actual setting. What actually happens as you sign in into your own account, you sign in into the iCloud account. And because of that, your payment, such as the Apple Card, is tied in into the phone itself. So you have to go ahead and reject this out. To reject it, what you have to do is when you go into your name, you have to sign out of the iCloud service. So to sign out, all you have to do is to go ahead, press on your name, go all the way down, and press on sign out. And you will have to enter your password to turn this off, and that's how you turn off the activation lock. Next thing what we're going to be doing is showing you the next step. So the next step for you, after you turn off the activation lock, it's going to look like this. It's going to go and say sign in to your iPhone in the settings in the general folder. Now the second step is for you to erase all information that you left on this iPhone. You don't want anyone else to get their hands on this phone and get your personal information. So go back to setting, keep moving, and then move to general once again. Go all the way down where it says transfer or reset iPhone. Press on that. All the way down once again where it says erase all content and setting. Erase this iPhone. Press on continue. Enter the password. And are you sure you want to continue? Because once you go ahead and do this, there is no going back. It's going to erase all the contents of this phone. Now, if you have the stuff backed up in your iCloud, all that stuff is not going to get erased. Only the stuff on the actual phone is going to get erased. Press on erase iPhone right here. Enter the password, and now it's going to go through this and start erasing it. If there is almost nothing on it, of course it's going to go super fast like this. What I do suggest for you to do is to wait until it goes all the way until the end of this, to make sure that it actually did erase the entire phone. So keep watching it to make sure it goes all the way to the end of the entire bar, and then what's going to happen, it's going to turn like this blank, and then it's going to go and power up once again. So what it should do is go back and start up as a brand new menu as it goes and loads everything up and also erases everything as well. And voila, it's done. When it's done, you're going to see this menu. So pretty much different kind of language menus over here. You can press on this and it's going to go in here, and you can see the hello and the English version of this menu as well. So pretty much you know that this phone has been totally erased and it starts from fresh, brand new.